Welcome to the Fixed Asset Pro product tour. Now you'll learn how Fixed Asset Pro will help you manage your organization's fixed asset data and generate the reports you need for financial and tax reporting, all without breaking your budget. For over 20 years, small and mid-sized businesses and organizations, along with their accountants, have selected Fixed Asset Pro to get a handle on their fixed assets and track them throughout their life cycles, calculate depreciation and apply the relevant rules, do all of their fixed asset reporting for financial accounting, income tax, and personal property tax, and use the Flex View to get control of their data. The Flex View gives you custom views and reports that include just the data you want, organized the way you want to see it. Fixed Asset Pro enables you to get rid of unruly spreadsheets and custom databases, break free from the high cost and complexity of more expensive fixed asset programs, and ditch the limited fixed asset module that comes with your accounting system. A keyword search on Google for fixed asset software produces over 10 million results and a fairly large selection of alternatives from which you can choose. Decision makers in small and mid-sized businesses and nonprofit organizations are attracted to Fixed Asset Pro because, one, it's very affordable compared to other full-featured fixed asset programs. An economic site license is available for multiple users. Annual updates are affordable. And technical support is free to current users. There are no contracts or hidden costs. You can also have an unlimited number of entities. There's no preset limit to the number of assets you can have. And Fixed Asset Pro is easy to install. There are no third-party databases that create conflicts and grief. You could say that Fixed Asset Pro is right-sized for the needs of small and mid-sized organizations. So with the stage set, let's see what Fixed Asset Pro looks like and how it works. This is what you'll see when you first launch Fixed Asset Pro. Setting up a company or entity is easy. You click on File, then New, give the file a name, input basic information, and you're ready to begin importing or entering your organization's fixed asset data. Once you've created a company or entity, you can manually input data or save time by using the Import Wizard. The most popular formats for importing are Excel, CSV, and TXT files. Fixed Asset Pro also supports many other contemporary file formats and even some legacy formats in case you have older data that you need to import. Fixed Asset Pro is organized into 5 main sections or tabs. The Asset Listing tab provides a searchable and sortable listing of all asset records, but it is much, much more. It gives you the tools to organize and view your data any way you want to see it, and save it as Excel or CSV for quick custom reports. You can create and save multiple custom views of your data. Each custom view includes only the fields you want to see. Easily add subtotals with a single click to summarize data the way you want. 2 different levels of filters give you the control to only show the assets that fit your criteria. You can export your custom views to Excel and CSV to create quick ad hoc reports. To create a similar report without these tools, you would need to use the custom report builder, which can be more difficult and time-consuming. And finally, a full text search capability lets you find assets quickly and easily. The General Asset Data screen helps you organize the information needed to identify and track your assets. You have the choice of using your own alphanumeric asset ID numbers Or let Fixed Asset Pro assign asset IDs and automatically increment them for you as you add new assets. You can assign your own group, location, department, and GL account numbers to each asset. Then in the Flex View and in the standard reports, you can group and subtotal assets by any of these categories. User-defined fields let you store unique information that you want to track for each asset. Easily dispose of an asset by setting a disposal date and a sales price. Fixed Asset Pro automatically calculates the gain or loss for you. You can assign a personal property type for personal property and tangible property reporting. Fixed Asset Pro lets you customize this list to fit the personal property categories of the states where your assets are located. For tax depreciation, you can set the tax class, elect to use the tax tables, and specify whether an asset was purchased new or used. You can also apply the federal tax limits for luxury automobiles and trucks or vans, and set the alternative minimum tax type. Then in the multi-book asset entry screen, you control all of the depreciation variables. You can keep as little as a single set of depreciation calculations, or you can maintain up to 6 different sets of books at once. A file cabinet holds pictures for each asset and links to relevant documents such as the original invoice, warranty or service agreements, or any other type of document or file. And in the Notes tab, you can keep multiple pages of notes for each record. The Calculate function allows you to calculate monthly, year-to-date, and annual depreciation. You can calculate for a single year or for a range of years. Fixed Asset Pro also has the capability to calculate a short year for the first year or last year of a business, or in the event that the business changes from a calendar year to a fiscal year, or vice versa. In addition to the report generating ability of the asset listing screen that we looked at earlier, Fixed Asset Pro includes a standard library of accounting and tax depreciation reports. For each of the standard reports, you can select the preparer, the desired book, the report year, the report month, sorting and subtotaling preferences, and other options. Generated reports can, of course, be printed, but also can be exported to Excel, PDF, and text files. In addition to the standard reports, Fixed Asset Pro includes a report builder that allows you to create your own custom reports. Fixed Asset Pro includes a number of helpful tools and utilities. You can use the Set Password function to secure your or your client's data. You can export selected fields from an organization's database, or export all of the fields out to a number of different file formats. This means that your fixed asset data is portable. A Mass Edit function lets you make wholesale changes to an entire group of assets instead of editing them one at a time. A Copy function lets you duplicate and edit similar assets rather than entering them from scratch. In addition, to stay up to date, online maintenance updates are downloaded and installed automatically or on demand. As you can see, Fixed Asset Pro is a full-featured fixed asset depreciation and reporting system that's both powerful and at $4.99 for a single license, and just $5.99 for a multi-user site license, Fixed Asset Pro is also budget-friendly. Next steps. If you're ready to move forward, you can order Fixed Asset Pro online or by calling us at 800-966-7797. Fixed Asset Pro is available for immediate download. Or if you'd like to take a closer look, please call or email us to arrange a personal web demo to see Fixed Asset Pro in action. Thank you for watching the Fixed Asset Pro Tour.